Academia online class grade 6 subjects math unit number 1 introduction of a set. Students, we have to do exercise 1D. Today we have to do question number 4 and 5. So let's all the students open the book page number 13 and also open your notebook. They said that in a question number 4, make a list of empty sets from the following. They said that there be a some set is to be given and identify which set is empty and which set is not to be empty, and also be write a reason if a set is not to be empty. And question number 5, in each of the following set identify and write the element which does not belong to the set. A set is to be given and in each set have a one extra member that are not belong to a set. They are say that separate this member and rewrite this set in a set notification in read it along with its members. So let me start today lecture. Question number 4, make the list of empty sets from the following. Part 1, set of the whole number between 9 and 10. So students, you know that after 9 become in a 10. So no any element is between them 9 or 10. You know that 9 after 10. So no any element between them. So it's a empty set. Part 2, set of the people who landed on Mars before 1994. So students, you know that in the universe only Earth is the only planet in which people have to live, stay and to be a home. So no any people have to go before 1994 on a Mars. So this is to be an empty set because that no any people land on a Mars before 1994. So scientists has discovered many times this has to go to Mars, but 1994 no any member, no any human being are not to be a go on a Mars 1994. So it's to be a empty set. Last set of an even prime number. So students, you know that only even prime number is a 2. So they have a member of 2 because that even prime number is a 2. It's not an empty set because its member is a 2. So it's not empty set. When you have a member in your set, it's called a not empty set. But if you have no any member, it's mean an empty set. Member should be a present in the bracket. It's mean not empty set, and if a member is not present in a set, is mean a empty set. So students, question number 5, in each of the following identify and write each element in is not belong to a set and rewrite the set in a set notification. Part 1, S is equal to A, B, C, 3, D, E. So students, you know that all digits to be a alphabet. These are digits and these two digits to be a alphabet. These are the only digit that's a number. It's not an alphabet. So it means that 3 is not belong from in this set. So we write S is equal A, B, C, D, E in a bracket, and 3 is not. Dots has is not belong to a 3 is not belong to a set. Then a part 2, T is equal to 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. So students, the all number. How to find out? If we find out the difference. So you see that 3 after 5, 4 is not to be alive. 5 after 6 and 7, but 7 after 9. So students, you see that they are not given any distance. So we have right 3, 5. After one digit skip to have 7, and after one digit should be a skip 9. So 6 is not belong to a set. So we have right T is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 because they are belong to each other. Write in a bracket, and after that not belong the member element we write 6 in a start of the bracket. Last part of this question, y is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. So student, you see that there's a number is a prime number. But only 9 is that a number is not a prime number. You see that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 are only come on the table of 1 and it's that table. But 9 is come onto a other table. So 9 is not a prime number. It means that 9 is not the member of this set. So we write y is equal to bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. That's a prime number that we only come on the table of 1 and it's that table. And the 9, that's we are not member of this element because that 9 is a composite number and that's we come on the table of